Alright, let's cut straight to it. We all want to know how much YouTube actually pays for 1,000 views. Well, I've got all the juicy details, but before I reveal the exact numbers, let me tell you. The answer may shock you. So grab your popcorn, because there's way more to it than just views. And trust me, it's not what you think. Here's the thing. Not all views are created equal. Some channels earn just a few cents per 1,000 views, while others can make a couple of bucks or even more. Why? Well, that's where things get really interesting. For an entertainment channel like mine, you might wonder if advertisers would even pay top dollar. Isn't it just entertainment and fun? Would that kind of content attract high-paying ads? Spoiler alert, it's not as straightforward as you might think. When I hit 1,000 views on a recent video, I thought I'd be swimming in cash. But as it turns out, advertisers' interest, target audiences, and watch time all play a role. So what did it actually mean for my paycheck? Hang tight, because we're going to break it all down. When I checked the analytics, my 1,000 view milestone had a payout that honestly surprised me. The actual number? For every 1,000 views on my entertainment channel, YouTube paid me. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just about the number itself. There's so much more that impacts it. Things like RPM, revenue per mila, CPM, cost per 1,000 views, viewer demographics, and how advertisers value my content. And the truth is, it's not just a straightforward path to earning more. Still with me? Good. Here's where it gets exciting. I've found ways to maximize my earnings despite the ups and downs of the entertainment niche. It wasn't easy, and there were some surprising twists, but I'll show you exactly what works and how you can make your next 1,000 views far more profitable. If you want a detailed video on it, comment. Let's see how many of you want a detailed video on entertainment niche. So what does this all mean for you and your channel? Stick around and I'll break down the best tips I've picked up to help you grow your earnings too. Now, before you go, I'd love to hear your own experiences with YouTube's earnings. Drop a comment and let's compare notes. If you found this interesting, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on making money online. Until next time, keep creating, keep hustling, and let's see those views turn into dollars.